This is the part 2 of the bridge made of gold. Okay, so there's this bridge that extends out to the to over here, and there's this thing that's on the top. Do you remember about the in my last video I talked about this person who didn't take a bath or something? So he went ahead of me. He went ahead. Uh, I didn't get his name because he just went ahead of me himself, and because he was walking faster than me, he eventually reached the end of the bridge after a few days. I don't know how many days later. The reason why I say I don't know how many days later is because, okay, there's this thing that's on the top. Maybe I just put it question mark because the bridge is very far. It's maybe, I don't know how many, maybe like 4 hours, maybe 6 hours of walking. And there's this thing on the top. When there's a bridge, when on Earth, there's a bridge that goes all the way to the horizon. Over there, this thing itself is a very, very long bridge. And eventually itself, it goes up to over here. So the bridge is like something like a very high slope, but I don't know how many kilometers this is. Now, the reason why I say that is that the halfway when I was walking around over here, approximately over here, I got scared, very, very scared, because you see, you're walking on the Golden Bridge. It's very cold, even though you can feel God's love and everything. You start to think about having second thoughts. I would say second thoughts as in did I do something bad in my life? Did I cheat someone? Did I do something to somebody that caused him hurt or something? Because when you reach, you cannot see above here because you have to look really, really high up to see this over here. The person that was in front of me, he took maybe 2 or 3 days later. I cannot tell the time there because it's always bright, so I can estimate maybe 2 days, 3 days later, the person reached over here. What happened when the person reached over here? It's very high up. The person fell down. The person fell down from the top here to the bottom. Now, when I say that the bridge at the bottom, it has I couldn't see below what was underneath. I would say that the person fell more than maybe 5 minutes. I don't know how long. So he fell around over here and he went all the way down, very, very deep down. I think more than 2-3 minutes of falling down to the bottom. That was my testimony of this person who was in front of me, who went ahead of me. He fell from the place, and I was not able to get his name because he walked very fast, faster than me, and I kind of chickened out a bit. Now, the person who was there was there. He told me to go back. He told me to go back yourself to the orchid or to this garden there itself and wait 14 days. Uh, there are some other things of that to discuss, but I'll just try to describe this place here. This is like space taxi. So, because you don't look really high up. If you have something that's above your head, you don't see it unless you look really high up. So there's this thing that was here. I call it. That looks like an eye. That looks like an eye. And then there was this thing that came out. It was here. And then it went here. Went here. Went here. And then it went into like a holding pattern. So, if you see it itself, it looks like a triangle. After we went to the holding pattern, we went here to this place where there's a holding pattern, and then it started to. It's actually quite big. That thing there is almost huge. It is like planet-sized, maybe even bigger. Maybe I don't know. It's really really big. And then it goes back from here. Goes here, 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 and then it goes into it. So it goes here, here. I would say that goes here, 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 and then it goes into this thing. So let me try to draw it. Okay, so we'll go here. Here. Then you go into like a kind of a loop. Kind of loop itself. And then it would go out of the loop. Here. Here. And then it would go into this object that was here. So what does this look like? When people draw the star. That. And the thing draws two triangles. Itself. So, and then there's this holding pattern where it is, where it goes like a loop, highly elliptical orbit itself. So that was this space taxi thing that I saw. Thank you very much.